Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make conch patties, popular in the Virgin Islands. So let's get straight into it. Here's my conch. I basically chopped it up very finely, as small as I can. It's tenderized already. This stuff is ready. This is the original raw conch, and it's very tough. It has to be pressurized before you can do anything else. To the back here I'm going to season with some onion, some grated garlic. I have some parsley finely chopped. I have some garlic that I grated up here. And to season it, I'm going to use some my Badia seasoning, very simply Badia seasoning. This has salt and everything in it. To spice it up, I'm going to use some paprika. This also will give it a little color, extra color, in addition to the to the carrot. And for additional spice, black pepper. You see I have one egg here. Traditionally, really, they would fry these patties, but I'm going to bake them. I just prefer to bake them today, and in addition to that, I am going to coat each patty with a bit of the egg, because I find when I put it to bake, it doesn't get nice color, so the egg will help me with that. So let's go on to the next step. I have here in my bowl 3 cups of all-purpose flour. To this, I'm going to add some salt. This is a half teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm going to add some baking powder, 2 teaspoons. And let me just quickly whisk these ingredients together. Now I'm going to add the butter. That is 4 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to get my hands in there and mix it in together. Oops. I'll be back. So now that has been nicely mixed in together, I am going to use some water to form a dough. That's about 3/4 to 1 cup of water. So let me finish this and I'll be back again. Okay, so here's my dough. Now I'll go ahead and let it rest about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so here's my dough. I'm going to separate it into small pieces and form each piece into a ball. Okay, so here we go. So next time, what I'm going to do, I'm going to roll out each one and fill it with the conch filling. Okay, so here's my pot on the stove. I already added some coconut oil to it already. You could add whatever oil that you have, maybe canola oil or whatever that you have. And I'm going to just pour in the onion and the garlic. Then I saute it for a few minutes. I'm going to add the parsley, the carrots. I'm going to season with a bit of the paprika powder and the black pepper. And some of my Badia seasoning. That should do it. Let's mix that up well. Okay, so that process didn't take very long. Everything is well mixed in well. I love these colors, so pretty. So I already turned off my stove. I'm going to just basically throw in the conch. Remember, the conch has been pressurized and everything, so just mix it in with the flavors. What I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a quick taste to see if it has enough flavor, enough salt and everything. I'm going to allow it, then I'm going to allow it to cool before I start to add it to the dough. Okay folks, so here are my pies, my conch patties, sorry, they look absolutely amazing. Look at the color, isn't that amazing? They took about 50 minutes to totally bake, right? It didn't take that long. That's what I like about when I put the egg. If I didn't put the egg, I might have had to leave it a little longer. I wouldn't have this pretty color, it might have still look a little whitish. So I'm super happy with this. I just want to mention too that I use the fresh conch. If you can't get that, you could also make, if you could get the conch in the can, which I did when I made my conch fritters the last time, you could use that too as well. So let me just break into one quickly for you to see. Look at that, amazing, super. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell which is next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you'll get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.